The earlier year ended up being the most affluent season for altcoins, as the greater part of those had for the most part beated the most prevailing resource Bitcoin. One such resource that stunned the crypto space with monstrous cost spikes in Q1 was the FTX token. The FTX explicitly is based on the ERC20 Extremely token and especially as a crypto subsidiaries trade, which is very huge. It plans to give institutional-grade arrangements by offering fates, utilize tokens, and over-counter exchanging. The new debate among Binance and FTT has carried mayhem to the market as the cost of FTT in every practical sense is being hauled down pointedly, or so they thought, as a FUD circumstance in the market showed up, which is genuinely critical. All Binance wishes to sell its possessions on FTT tokens in light of their related knowledge, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Recently, land fell, so Binance needs to be arranged this time with FTT tokens. Will FTT face a similar confidence as Land Luna? Or on the other hand, can it for the most part effectively recapture the trust of financial backers in the market in the impending days? Are you one of the numerous financial backers who have been attempting to explicitly dissect what is happening and comprehend the eventual fate of this crypto, which sort of is genuinely critical? Lock in reasonably your belts, as this review covers the truly conceivable fate of the organization and coin on the lookout. In the midst of the continuous emergencies of FTT with Binance, the cost has endured a shot in its worth, which is genuinely huge. The crypto in a real sense dropped from $26.43 to $15.10 inside the range of multi-week. As per the reports, the following 24 to 48 hours basically are especially supposed to be pivotal for this posting, as the result of this present circumstance isn't really sure. Will FTX really recapture its cost? In the event that the negative run will in general proceed, the worth per coin may go as low as 18.627. Be that as it may, assuming the bulls in a real sense recapture piece of the pie, the worth per coin may not shift much as it might generally require some investment for FTT to emerge from this undertaking, which is genuinely huge. The cost may for the most part go as high as $22.82, with a truly conceivable variety of 10%. This outcomes in a normal exchanging cost of $20.72, or so they thought. FTX token value expectation for December 2022. This crypto has an unpredictable history. It has seen numerous bullish and negative patterns in the exact past, however, has figured out how to recover its solidarity each time especially. The token by and large has beaten its rivals and has made its basically stand on the lookout. In the event that this crypto figures out how to do so once more, the cost might go as high as $31.46 running against the norm. A market dump could bring about the cost tracking down help at $23.81, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on the in every way that really matters. Normal cost could settle at $27.63 in a quite huge manner. Can FTT affirm its ATH in some measure? Most certainly 1 year from now. FTX crypto value figure for 2023. Or so they really thought. The year will essentially stay testing as expansion fears could affect the market for the really next 2 years in a sort of huge manner. On the off chance that it concocts reasonable redesigns lean with a pattern, the FTT cost stays safe to for the most part bears. The resource would hit a really limit of $56.83 with a variety of 15% keeping the fear of expansion into thought. Nonetheless, assuming bears torment the assembly, the altcoin would settle down around $28.71. Progressively, an equilibrium in exchange exercises could close the year at $42.77. FTT coin value conjecture for 2024. Assuming the team behind the FTX token utilizes formative and local area building drives, the altcoin could guarantee basically higher tops in the midst of Bitcoin's dividing occasion, which is likewise expected to occur in 2024. In such a case, the FTT cost could basically move to its extremely possible high of $95.26. On the drawback, ebbing conspicuousness and stiffer contest could grasp the cost to $47.68. That being said, the shortfall of moving drives could especially control the cost at normal degrees of $71.47. FTX extremely token value expectation for 2025. While anticipating the cost as long as possible, it is verifiable in dissecting its authentic impressions. Furthermore, how it acts when sort of bears assume command over the market. FTX token has sort of answered all around okay to advertised vacillations before, which is very critical. All in all, this protected and quick organization sort of has the sort of potential to reach $146.35 toward the finish of 2025. Which explicitly is very huge, assuming the coin neglects to present new updates and administrative imperatives across various domains. This might bring about a pullback of the value rally to $77.11. Taking into account all viewpoints, the altcoin could exchange at a typical cost of $111.73, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. FTX exceptionally token value forecast. Because of late occasions, there is an immense destruction in the valuation of this crypto in an unpretentious manner. Binance's liquidation of FTT tokens has made confusion in the exchanging design and a potential FUD the market, formed FTT cost expectation in an unobtrusive manner. The altcoin could recuperate itself from this circumstance and may crush $31.46 toward the finish of 2022, or so they thought. In actuality, market changes and dubious financial emergencies are spreading across the world. Indeed, even the disappointment of redesigns can be a very conceivable mishap for the altcoin incredibly. What's more, in this manner, the FTT cost might drop to major areas of strength for the zone around $23.81 continuously end in an unobtrusive manner. Taking into account all perspectives, the typical cost of the extremely token would really be around $27.63 before the current year's over amazingly. What is FTX token? FTX is a crypto subordinates exchanging environment that claims a by and large local token named FTT. The token can be used as guarantee for Fate's exchanging, acquiring commissions on exchanging charges, moving past the counter refunds, and that's just the beginning. The stage tackles the current issues related with Fate's exchanging. On different trades present on the lookout, the guarantee truly is partitioned across independent really token wallets. Nonetheless, FTX subordinates are stablecoin settled and need just an all-inclusive edge wallet to restrict future situations from getting sold. SBF claims FTX to in a real sense be working ordinarily. Basically thanks every one of the financial backers and individuals for staying with their confidence in his and proclaims all the allegation to basically be truly bogus. 2019. The token showed up in the posting in June 2019 with an underlying contribution cost of $1.76. Very few changes in the diagram were viewed as the crypto sort of was steady for the entire exchanging year. FTX accomplished its $2 blemish on the 20th of December. The end exchange cost of the crypto for the year fundamentally was $2.14. 2020, the year basically was entirely steady, and consistent change was seen in the graph, which is very critical. The cost fluctuated between $2-5 for the entire year. It arrived at a pinnacle of $4.20 in mid-2020, or so they for the most part thought. The crypto accomplished its $5 mark during the last exchanging month of the year and arrived at an ATH of $5.78 on New Year's Eve, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. 2021, FTX tokens were started in the year 2021 with an exchanging cost of $5.82 in a huge manner. As the bullish run occurred, the crypto crushed every one of the records and arrived at an ATH of $61.25 by mid-May. An unexpected negative pattern was seen in the pattern, and the worth of the coin sort of was sliced by 60%, bringing about an exchange worth of $24.55 per purchase in a kind of huge manner. During the third quarter of the year, the worth of this crypto by and large soared to its untouched high on September 7, at a trade worth of $85.